والفتى سيدون سيجي بالله أفاد وصبر بأمد ربك أستغفر ما كان تبابا. Thank you. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. I am proud of it. Which and vital heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all the respect, and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and to my people. To pledge my yourself in the world, being prosperity alone. Bless my happiness. Thank you to all.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Morning to all. I would like to say something about my friend. She is reading well, she is writing well, she is obeyed parents and teachers. I wish you happy birthday, my friend Savita. Thank you to all. School salute. Order. Pray discourse. Form the and body class. Thank you.